Welcome to Melodies TV, Ghana's #1 social platform.
Oh, Melody. Good morning. Good morning. And I'm okay. I want to say, to say. So also Wale, also girlfriend. I don't want to can you. Also no girlfriend we didn't come. Or girlfriend also want to say. My mom say this year I saw Wale no. It's here for. Mutie omo passport to na. Chichia Obibi Chichia. Melody. The master with the kind of shot. Kakre bi emejai. Melody. Asema first NDC for MP for na here no ya me who say MP for no mo no omo pe Muhammad Mugwase ya omo pe Muhammad eni Mugwase ebo pa no mo ye ebo pa no mo ye sade no omo pe Muhammad Mugwase me bi mu say mama no pe Mugwase say on be so mo ya na mama ne be 2024 daga so men stand bi on pe Mugwase o ma anya de hwe sankofo yi a o apartment buka se mo yi o mo be yi mo fi ma still masa de o be shemi wo bo de kofo de be sa be bi after on be che NDC for pass yes someone am to mine say there so magiska ade so magiska tiska no mo ji e no so be che say mo fa che mo je blab to bi oje blab ya de bia no e so ya after on be che NDC for pass yes mo ji e blab na mo ji e no yes e be kire mo asma mo ke mo fa say be hwe o me che NDC for pass mo ji e blab ska na mo ji e no say ska no eno ho djuma ne de yam no ye mo sa no pa de bo say sabe de fase mo ken nya ne utie mu ya e ba foforo na ye hu ge so utie mu ya to yes asaba same de fi kan oh you right na me de bia meka me ni madam fu bi wa ha de MPP ni de bi o ka say onu akasa ka me so beka o say same de fi some yes same de be president e Ghana asaba me kan sinya me boa ne dade ma ye ni atinkom ni ewu ya asema became market of the world says Sami Jefi be president e Ghana Sami Jefi o be president e Ghana wo hwe se de papa no o kasa efa nkoma odi me say hwe omo call court wie ya court asem ya o chirechire mu o timu say yes Sami Jefi o de say ya de ko de nim na Sami Jefi be lawyer o be president o obeto Ghana yi o pati se ma Sami Jefi nya president of Ghana ye hwe se yusu no obi anya djuma anya obebo yusu ni nyina Sami Jefi ne odi yusu sin pedifo no ko me jawo keke nsem we odika pedifo ni nyina no oba ma ju se no 4 years time no omo bebenum so mo timi nkobiem enti omo ji omo sika di program trabi na ma andisi na gu ndisi engu da Sami Jefi be kuta ndisi oni pedifo omo mu nyina no omo be kuta ndisi na ndisi gina na omo wani ewu oba se ye hwa de se so ma hwe ni ye na 2024 MP for be sa ko form asaba be ke mo fa hwa de MP for be ko form ama ndisi for president be NDC MPP for be samba wini biom NDC be nya 100 so afia de ko munya ama yufo ni na bu ofo ma se no be be ka so omo to ma MP for ni biom omo to ma MPP omo just omo to ama president no MPP for so omo to ama MPP asema be king mo fa se be bi fa 2024 yetinkom de bade maya asema be king be ka sa papa bi kasem bi ase papa de ka ye no no kram pa say of the see MPs ni na be sa yira ama president about power NDC MPP NDC MP no omu nyina ba yira na NPP for abaso na president aye NDC abese do mo sisi ano ama for ebuofu papa ama for ebuofu hwe mo wu ye hwe fish yeso timi fish kwa ma me pa na hwe no mama hwe ma me no mama hwɛ the picture they say hwɛ ma minimum mapa hwɛ picture ya wasa ba bi mu no ebe ye gretu ndc for sisi mo ndc for sisi mo na Sammy Gyamfi die mi se obey president Sammy Gyamfi obey president asana ewi ase asɛ Sammy Gyamfi be president to be se be ahwɛ ade anu asi
for now you see obi kan asɛm bi ɛwɔ Twitter embra Sammy Gyamfi wabo NDC mpanyinfo mmiɛnsa din indirectly no we accuse you for the approval of the MPP ministers. Now from commenter every NDC supporters ne grassroots eba no says asem na nipa ko ne kan no magya tum se eye ne kre nipa ko na asem o kan no wo se ade na Sammy Gyamfi ye no wo hwɛ n'ani so a obetumi hu ne se eye bufuo na ode kasa but wo think fa ana wo hwɛ echi a eye very power move and a very powerful move na Sammy Gyamfi wa ye no because ade no ebema sebe the grassroots no ebeba be don more Emma they will even be calling for him say one day one brand than a president maybe I know any political and a presidential ambition but one day you be friend say one brand than a president now me tie sa audio way me am boy ya mutie ya to me hu say a lot of people are beginning to think in that light and so sa dey na Sammy Gyamfi here no I don't know whether it is deliberate or indeliberate but it is in a way letting people see him in a certain light because the grassroots or the supporters of the NDC they align themselves with what Sammy Gyamfi said and a lot of people are supporting him. Now let me just read some comments from Sam George be make key post be now Sam George Eka said we shall overcome and now the NDC flag ebo now what can say no now we make it our post no me read the comments so that a lot of people me read here but still as microphone person better here so that a lot of people will understand the idea like how the NDC supporters are thinking now and how they are seeing Sammy Gyamfi as a hero and so indirectly Sammy Gyamfi has taken himself down as a future flag bearer for the NDC just because of this single poster Oba Abontin ebe make you know I don't know I don't know whether he himself he has realized this or not. But let's read some comments from Way. Or see, it doesn't look like you guys are interested in overcoming anything. As someone as Sam George, I know, and a comment on Crawford passing. Or say, it doesn't look like you guys are interested in overcoming anything. To think that with all Nanado and his cabals have subjected JM and the party to, any of you ever contemplated and voted for Nanado's appointees in that manner is to say the least worrying. It is a sign of insensitivity of the highest order shown towards JM. This betrayal of the party's leader, the party and its foot soldiers must be unpardonable. I don't even know what to tell you guys for it to pain you in equal measure. Nothing seems an effective way of showing you pepper. We leave you to your consciences. Those of you who played your part in upholding and defending the interests of the party, may God reward you. Those of you who sold your conscience to, may you never know peace ever in your political career. So this person, in a way, is also siding with someone. Sammy Gyamfi ekan So you see, say NDC grassroots, no, they are siding with idea Sammy Gyamfi kan. And so it is, and you see, it is human nature. Sound reality, a human nature. Say encrophobia ewo kuo bi mu. It is just like Uganda. Share Uganda adia esi wo ho ene say president atena so sa Museveni. Na sa Museveni no wo ba betena so no na another president bi etena so ewo Uganda. Sa president no mpeso obetu afi so. Ena Museveni no ebe ka che nkrofo say mohu president ba ko we watena so sa na say na nkrofo ko di Museveni no n'echi. And no so better than the president. Or no so better than the president now. Dear Bakuni ye and no so oh yeah. And it took a musician, just a popular musician, now a friend of Bobby Wine. I was sorry tears I did no. And just that he became the hero of Uganda. A lot of people were supporting him to the extent say the president of Uganda felt threatened. And my young guy Bobby Wine when he are not 40 years old. When you are not as a 40 years. The president became threatened by him. And my president, no, just say allegedly. But be why anybody gas ni nyama ni ye kunkun omo ye the network house just say ye arresting no inse bebre ye chi no. Ontumi pienko bebia asojers wo twa ne ho ahia until say court ebe ma order say sa soldiers na wo mo twa ne fie ho ahia no wo mo free ho. And so it tells you society no sanity. So people are beginning to see Sammy Gyamfi that way. Why? Because they feel say he has aligned himself with the thoughts of the grassroots. Omuhune say odi akukudra kasa. So in a way it is a power move and Sammy Gyamfi wa making up. Montre mo adwo comment box ni mo. That's it.